Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're jumping into the June Lookfantastic box. Every month the box is in its own different aesthetic, and I really love the boxes. I actually keep them on that shelf for me to use as organization bins. So I'm really happy to jump into this box. We're going to do a full unboxing and review of everything inside. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the June Lookfantastic Beauty Box, stay tuned. So Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty box. It is, depending on what you subscribe to, it could be $15, it could be $18, it could be $20, I believe. I will have a link in the description box. Not an affiliate, I'm not taking money for this, but it is a discount to get you $1 for your first month. So you'll save some money on the first box. And when I do an unboxing of these, I like to see, will I get my money's worth if I paid retail for it? So I'm going to use the average $16 a month to see if I got $16 worth of product out of this box. So this is our Eco Month. That's what it says on the cover. The editor's note, June, halfway through the year, ready for celebration, but also a big month globally for a number of different reasons. First, June marks the 51st official Pride Month. Although we're potentially looking for a second year in the run, unable to celebrate with the usual parades and mass gatherings, there's still a number of ways you can get involved. Donate, read, check out virtual events. However you celebrate, the most important thing of the month is as good as any to listen and learn. As well as this, June is an important month for environmental awareness. Our theme this month is Elements, where we chose to honor the World Environment Day, which is June 5th, and World Ocean Day, which is June 8th. That is why this month's edit, we are delving into the nitty-gritty of what's really inside beauty products. We'll also showcasing some of the beauty brands that are striving to save the planet. And then in here, there's a lot of info on what that means. Enjoy this month, Amelia. So we're going to jump into the products. The first item is the Gentle Facial Buffer. This is an eco-friendly, reusable face cleansing item from the brand So Eco. Where's the details? There we go. This is a gentle exfoliating pad from the award-winning, environmentally responsible brand So Eco. Great for all skin types, this pad helps to unclog pores, remove dead skin cells, as well as adding to the absorption of skincare products. Dampen with warm water, squeeze your favorite body wash onto it, rub all over your body in circular motions, and rinse with warm water. So that's talking about the body one. This is the face one. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same thing. Gently exfoliate, rinse, add your cleanser, and wipe. Yeah, so a nice, gentle exfoliating buffer. I like the soft side personally. I would use that to apply toner. Next, from the brand Rituals. This is a brand I have featured a lot on my channel. This is the Ritual of Jing, your path to inner peace. Relax, mild body scrub with Sacred Lotus and Jujube. An exfoliating body scrub comprised of ultrafine bamboo particles and a cream base that removes dead skin cells while giving you the most relaxing bathing experience. Formulated with active ingredients that are suitable for even the most sensitive of skin areas, such as the neck and cleavage. Also has coconut oil and shea butter massaged into damp skin in circular motions before rinsing with warm water. Follow with moisturizer for extra smoothness. Contains coconut, so I'm going to drop it in a giveaway because I cannot use things with coconut. On hair and body, it doesn't bother me as much as on my face, where I do get a lot of irritation, so I could get away with using it. I'm also not a huge fan of physical exfoliants, so this is just not a product that I typically would go for, but I do really enjoy a lot of what the brand has to offer. They have a beautiful lavender-scented lavender-scented pillow mist and candle that I have in my bedroom that smell absolutely beautiful. Next, from Dr. Lip, this is the 100% natural superfood red radish pigment tint. A hydrating lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of color with 100% natural ingredients for a softer pout. Smooth onto the lips throughout the day as needed. I'm going to drop this in a giveaway because I don't like tinted lip balms like that. Any of the squeezy ones, I currently am using one from Jouer, which is the Essential Lip Enhancer. No color, just a little bit of shine. This is just a little more the vibe I go for. It's a little more natural. If I'm going to wear a full face of makeup, I'm going to go out in a lip. If I'm not wearing makeup, I don't want any color on my lips. Next is the Espa. This is the 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. So it's a hydrating cream for your under eyes, Deeply nourishing, hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective, kind-to-the-skin ingredients to replenish, protect, and soothe your delicate eye area. Evening primrose and jojoba oil work together to intensely moisturize the eye to appear refreshed and youthful. Apply a gentle, small amount under the eyes and to the brow bone every morning. This is 0.2 ounces, which a typical eye cream is about double the size, but this will still give you at least, I'm going to say, a month to 2 months worth. You need a tiny amount of eye creams. So I'm going to drop that in an upcoming, in rotation for me to try. With skincare items like this, it's really hard to give you a first impressions review because once I open it, it starts expiring, and until I'm consistently using it for 28 to 60 days, I don't know if it works. But I can at least talk to the brand, the product, and how to use items. Next up is the Balance Me Pre- and Probiotic Cleansing Milk, a lightweight milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF, and eye makeup. A complexion that is left calmer, clearer, and brighter thanks to bioactive pre- and probiotics. Designed to strengthen the skin's delicate microbiome barrier while it's also gently exfoliating. This contains salicylic acid and willow bark, so definitely more for the normal to oily people in the world. Massage into damp skin until makeup has fully broken down. Rinse with warm water. Follow with your favorite moisturizers. So I have used this brand before, and I liked what I use. I love travel size cleansers because cleansers are one of those things that I know within 1 or 2 uses if I actually like. Do I feel clean? Does my skin feel stripped? Am I happy with how it feels? So this is one of those items that I'm definitely going to be happy to try. And the last item out of the box is the Philip Kingsley Styling Finishing Touch Polishing Serum for Hair. A frizz-fighting serum to condition, protect, and help style the hair, packaged in bioplastic made from sugarcane, 100% recyclable, and manufactured in a sustainable, ethical way. It has citric acid, vitamin A, and vitamin B5. Apply a small amount to mid-length ends of towel-dried hair. Dry and style as required. My hair is pinned up because I recently got it colored. It's a very ashy blonde right now, and because it's still wet, so it looks very dark. But because of that, my curl pattern took a little bit of a beating, so I do have to wait until it's fully healed and my curls are back to really style and see what my hair looks like. But as soon as that is done, I will be trying this out because I do love these type of frizz-protected serums underneath my curl creams and my gel. So all in all, again, at a $16 price point, I think this was a really good box. There's not a single product in here. I lied. There's one product that just I won't use at all because of the nature of the product, and that's the lip balm. Obviously, for allergen reasons, I can't use the Rituals, but I do love that brand. So that's not a fault of the box that I have an allergy. That's a Brett problem, not a Lookfantastic or a Rituals problem. So I don't want to hold that against them. So 5 out of 6 products is actually on the tiers of a better box. If you're using the code down below and you get it with the $1 for your first month, definitely worth the $1. As far as the $16 value, I definitely think you can get $16 of value out of this box. So I will say this is a good box. Let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear your opinions. And do you enjoy seeing this box get unboxed? What do you think of my Lookfantastic box unboxings? Let me know your thoughts down below, as well as any of the products or comments on the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.